Hey, check this out. These are my hands, and these hands are usually always frozen because I live in Canada and right now it's winter. So on the DJI website, they have these things here. Where's the name? Right there. Photography gloves. And on the back, if you look, it shows a guy flying a Phantom, a guy using his tablet, and a camera. All these things I do, and it shows here water being poured on the gloves. Now, I don't know if they're warm or how good they are. I ordered the extra large size. Now I'm just going to open this up. I'll see what's inside first, then try them on. So let's see. So inside, there's the gloves. Nothing fancy. And on the back, just a little labeling, photography gloves, and they're in a nice little plastic bag. I'm going to yank this open and check out the contents. In Canada, when we buy gloves, we always look at what they're rated for temperature. Let's see these here. It doesn't really say much. It does say there's a pre-stitched liner and it's breathable, 3M Thinsulate, so you know they're kind of warm. And they even include this little thing on the back. It says, here you go, the breathability test. Now they want me to do this with the gloves. Pour hot water into glove insert. You will see steam running out without water leaking. In other words, your hand, as it gets warm, it will breathe, but moisture and water won't get in. So that's the type of material it is right here. All right, now taking a quick look at the gloves. If I look inside, that's what it looks like on the inside right there. You can see the Thinsulate. And you have a Velcro little strap here to keep it nice and tight on your wrist. And then going on the bottom of the glove right here, you can see it's very grippy material. And over here on the fingers, these here fingers will work on a cell phone, they say. So let's just try it. There's my phone here. I'll touch the DJI Go app, see what happens. Yep, it works. For your fingers right here, for a guy like me that likes to touch the phone, you can flip it up and your finger comes out right there. So that's perfect for me. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and it goes on two fingers like that. These are called finger cap fixing buckle. So in other words, it looks like maybe when I flip this back, I could clip that into there, clip that into that one. And there's the one on the thumb. Yeah, so the thumb comes out too, so I can clip that back there and have my thumb sticking out. It fits actually really nice. It fits perfectly, so that's really good. And if I want to stick my fingers out, there we go. And if I wanted to leave it out, I don't know why I'd clip that back, because let me see, does it work? Clip that in there. There we go. I've snapped that into that so that if I'm touching something with my finger, I don't want this to fly out and also touch, because it will also, it's touch sensitive and it will touch the screen and screw up whatever I'm touching with this finger. So that's pretty sweet. And then just unsnap it and put your finger back in and you're all good to go to stay nice and warm. And it works with the thumb too. Now, if you're thinking of getting a pair of these for yourself, they do come in size large and extra large. And I have the extra large. And if you're wondering, they do fit perfect on my hands. Like my fingers are right here, the tips of my fingers, and it goes nicely down to the end of my wrist and wraps around tight. They do feel quite warm, so I'm pretty sure they're going to be perfect for what I need. Anyways, if you want to get a set and you're not sure of your hand size, I'll just measure mine now and that'll give you an idea. If I put this measuring tape to the base of my hand, right where it connects to my wrist, and I go up here, you'll see that I'm at just over 7.5 inches, which is just over 19 centimeters, pretty close to 20 centimeters. And the width of my hand is just over 9 centimeters and just over 3.5 inches. Hey doggies. All right, I've had these gloves out here now for about 45 minutes walking around in the woods with these gloves, and I will say they're not too bad. They're definitely not deep, warm Canadian winter gloves. I do not know who that dog is. It's just a dog that keeps following me. But yeah, they're not bad. My hands aren't super frozen. My fingers are not super frozen. They are warm enough for, just wandering around and doing your flights and a few other things. And I like the fact that I can take my little finger out here, touch stuff. Oh, now this is great. Now we have dogs chasing dogs. All right, so there's a temperature right now in my area, -7 degrees Celsius. That's not bad. And I can move the screen around. I think I can move it around. Yeah, there you go. Since they have little touch things, I don't have to use my finger. So far, I kind of like these gloves. I don't think they'll be good for deep winter, cold winter, like when I get up to, the normal -20 that we have here. But for, I'd say, about -10, they're pretty good for that. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and I'll put a link below to where you can find these gloves on the DJI website. And yes, that is boogers. I wipe my nose. See you later.